Alright guys, let's get started on making these wonderful pork carnitas. In here we have 4-pound pork shoulder, no bone in it, just porkiness. I've rubbed it in a barbecue rub, a sweet heat kind of barbecue rub for 24 hours. Alright, it's been in the fridge for that long. Alright, I've let it sit out for about half hour or so to get the chill off. Now we're going to start making the stuff to put in here to braise these carnitas. Okay, so we have 1 cup of beef stock. I'm going to pour that in. I did not heat it up, so it may take a little bit more time to come to pressure. We're going to cut up an orange and do 1 juice of an orange in there. So this is the time you can get your aggressions out. Just squeeze it in. And I'm just going to squeeze it, but I'm going to leave it in there. Alright, there's room around the carnitas to put it in there. Alright, so 1 full orange in there. Alright, squeeze the juice out. Alright. Same thing with this lime. Let's get the juices working in a little bit. Alright. Alright, so we're going to squeeze both of those in there. Alright. I know I don't have this focused on the squeezing, but y'all know how to wheeze the juice right now. Wheezing the juice. Alright, we're going to put half of an onion in there. And it don't have to be pretty. Alright, take the paper off. Just a rough chop is good. This is going to be pressure cooked in here, so it's going to go absolutely nothing in there after a while. Same with these jalapenos. You're going to knock the seeds out by just rolling them underneath your hand. Okay. Put it at the top. Theoretically, all the seeds should come out. Or not, you can just cut it out. If you want it spicier, add the ribs and the seeds in there. But I'm not looking for too much heat right now. Okay, again, rough chopping. Okay. Just knock the seeds out. If there's a couple, it won't hurt nothing. Alright, let me get this cleaned up and we'll get the roast in there and we'll get going. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like on the inside here. Got all the goodness in there. All the stuff that's going to help it braise. Now let's take out our pork shoulder here. Like I said, this is about 4 or 5 pounds worth right there. Alright, so we have this in there. Now we're going to pressurize it. Pressure pot lid on, maybe. There we go. We're going to pressurize this for 90 minutes. Alright. We're going to pressurize it on high. So we have pressure. It's on high already. We're going to do it for 90 minutes. So an hour and a half. Alright, we want it really tender. We want it really pulled apart good. So after that hour and 30 minutes, we're going to air crisp it for about 15 minutes just to get some heat on the top and make like a bark on it. So let's get this started. As it's coming up to pressure, the little dots chase themselves. Up here we have the vent on seal. This little red dot will pop up when it's sealed for pressure and then pop down when we release the pressure. Okay. So we'll see you in an hour and a half. All right, guys, our hour and a half is up. We're gonna release the pressure. Remember, be careful, it's hot in there. So cook it over. Woo, nearly. All right, come on back. All right, guys, all the pressure's been released. You ready to see this? Woo, nearly. Look at that. Pretty good. Alright, let's temp it real quick. See how we're doing. I want to see, yeah, there we go, over 200. Over 200, we're doing some good shredding in there. Oh yeah, good stuff. Alright, so what we're going to do now, let's close this up. I know there's tons of liquid in there, but we just want the heat to just hit the top of it, cause a little caramelization burn, if you will. We're gonna get a bark built on top of that. All right, so air crisp, we're gonna do 400 degrees. I'm gonna go 10 minutes, all right? And we'll check it and see how far we've come. We're almost ready to start shredding. All right, let's check it out. 10 minutes under the air fryer. Ooh, that's what we're looking for right there. You see how it's browned up quite a bit. Got a little bark going. I like that. I like that a lot. It's gonna be good. Okay, I'm gonna shred it in the juice. So I'm gonna take the, oh geez. I'm gonna try to fish out the big chunks in here of the orange, the lime. Woo. Like I said, I want to shred it in the juice. So let me get this strained out a little bit, get all these heavy chunks out, and we'll come back and start shredding. Look, it's just shredding like you wouldn't believe. All right, it's a little crispy, crunchy on top. Oh, that's shredding up real nice. Very, very easy. All right. So I'm gonna continue to shred this in this juice, but then kind of strain out the juice. You know, I don't want it to be totally waterlogged in there, but I want the flavor to go, go through everything. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We've got this set up for the thumbnail. I'm just gonna take a quick bite. Made myself a quick little taco. Oh yeah, that's great. The Foodi does it again. Tender, tasty, flavorful. All the other adjectives you got. So good. Guys, give this one a shot. It's good to go. Just a quick one. But the Foodi makes quick work out of anything. Now, let's take a little bit longer because you did have to have a really big roast. It's like 4 to 5 pounds. So you had to, pressure cook it for a while. Make this. Let me know how it works out for you. Leave a comment down below. I appreciate everything you guys are doing for us out there. Hit the like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.